Install the accessory holder. Install the HR handle. Install the SR handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. Remove the seal covers from the effusion and overflow. Connect a funnel to the effusion. Fill water until it flows out from the overflow. Remove the funnel. Put the seal cover back to the overflow. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Select the intense pulse glide handle. Parameter settings. Select hair removal. Mode selection. The default skin tone is A. Adjust the skin tone based on the recipient's conditions. Recommended energy, 20J. Recommended cooling intensity, 5. Select the super hair removal handle. Parameter settings. Recommended frequency, 3 Hz. Recommended pulse width, 3 ms. Recommended energy, 20J. Recommended cooling intensity, 5. Turn off the instrument. Remove the seal cover from the outlet. Drain off the water. Put the seal cover back to the outlet.